Daylight Savings Day here in Texas in March, and y'all probably keep seeing this old Jubilee 1953, same year I was born, that I found at a garage sale of all things. The sign said a barn sale, but it was no barn. It said outside. Anyhow, we pulled the distributor today out. It's on the bench. Pulled all the plugs out. Rolled it over by hand. The owner thought it was froze up solid. Surprisingly, a little Marvel in only a couple of hours. Probably didn't need the Marvel. Dropped the, if you can see underneath, there's the oil pan. Dropped it out, and no water. And no water in the transmission. It's a wonder, because this boot is terrible. And tonight I will put a plastic protector over it. Most likely I'm going to have water in that transmission. He thought the PTO was locked up, but instead, well, it's hard to see in there. I think the old brake shoes are all locked up. The wrecker driver had to tow it, and then we got some damage here, like something fell on it, and yeah, it's got to pull the fuel tank out this week. We're not getting off the CJ5 or the Corvette, but it's got my curiosity. Let me get over here on this side. It's got my curiosity if this thing's going to run. And old wife, she kind of chuckled. Mason jar. That was typical. That is part of the old deal. You could see if it caught bugs and all that. The old generator is definitely froze up. Got the carb off. Got it inside. And here, it's going to be real hard to see up inside there. But this, when I pulled the cover off of the air cleaner, just tremendous amount of oil, dirt, grease. I don't know if this thing was ever serviced. I don't think it's ever been underwater. But let's stop this and go in the shop real quick. And we're going to take a look at the carb. Yeah, there's the old YJ. Get to where I just don't want to probably sell it. Dropped it to $68.50, guys. You guys up on the East Coast or in the Salt Belt, y'all could appreciate this. It's a rust-free YJ, 141,000. But we'll do a video on it soon. Let's go in, stop here a minute. We're going to go into the shop. Okay, we're back in the shop, and since we got 4 or 5 days of rain coming, they tell me good day to do this. Be using the old Chem Dip carburetor cleaner, tearing this completely down. I am even ecstatic that the butterfly wasn't froze. It was loaded with water. Nothing in the engine, so apparently it went out and leaked out this air breather hose, and the distributor is turning really, really stiff. I mean, you know, there's no way that it was going to get fire. So again, please thumbs up, subscribe. We're bouncing around a little bit right now because we have so many projects going, and we're glad for the work, but we want to keep also videos rolling back on CJ and of course the Corvette. I did a little short video on it yesterday. It was very short, but we have got to buckle down. Yes, the yellow is going to be gone, but if somebody buys this as a numbered match car now, it's not going to be the original paint. But this is a beautiful car. So anyhow, please help us grow. Come back, visit, give us your comments, and we'll do our darndest to get everything out on a timely manner again. And hopefully we can follow back on that 69 Mach 1 Boss 428, if the owner will let us, as they start disassembling it and getting it ready. Don't know exactly what he's going to